And we're back to learning JavaScript on Exercism, and this time I'm going to solve high scores. You can find it right here. Let us dive right in, and the tests explain way better what we need. So we get an array of scores, and then we want to filter it basically. So for example, we want to get all the scores or get the latest score or the personal best. Now we've got simple getters for each. But first go to the constructor. I'll define this as high scores. And we'll construct it with this dot high scores equals high scores. So whatever we get as an array is now our high scores. Let's go to the first test, which is the list of scores. So the entire array is supposed to be returned. So all that we have to do here is to return the high scores, but make sure it's this dot high scores. And we've passed this first test. Next one is latest. So in the case of test 1, it will be 70. Therefore, we'll have to use this dot high scores and then use the length of it. We need the square brackets and this dot high scores dot length. But be careful, we need -1 because we need the index position, and that starts at 0 and the length doesn't. So right here, for latest scores, we've got 4 scores, which is the length, but the index position for 30 is 3, as it starts with a 0, then 1, 2, and 3. Therefore, we'll have to add -1. And we've passed the second test by doing this. Let's find the personal best. Right here, 40, 170, so we want to find 100, the highest number you could say. Or we can simply use math.max to find the highest number in this dot high scores, but be careful, it's an array, so we need to spread it out. So ... the spread operator is needed. And this should be it for test 3. So 100 is found. Now we want to find the 3 highest numbers. There are many ways to do this. I've simply sorted it and then sliced it. So here in this case we need 100, 90 and 70. We'll return this dot high scores sorted, and the way to sort it in a descending fashion. So highest number to lowest number is A, B to B minus A. And then afterwards I've sliced it. So dot slice. And I believe I've got one parenthesis misplaced here. Let me check. It should be here A, B, and then I have to close it. So my mistake, sorry about that. But now we should be good here. And the slice, it needs to start at index position 0, and we want to have the top 3. So we need 3 positions. As I've said, we've got it sorted first, highest to lowest, and slice then goes to index position 0, which is the highest number, and gives us the 3 numbers that we need. And now we've passed all of these tests. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.